All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out how to add a discount to our order. A discount is different than a coupon code, so make sure you know the difference. A discount is going to be site-wide. It applies to all orders, and we can build in some conditions, and we're going to show you that. But to get started, all you need to do is go under Store Settings. Underneath Promotions, there's a Discounts link. Let's click that. And this is the discounts kind of dashboard here. But to get started, the first thing you'll need to do is add a discount. And what we're going to do is we're going to add two different discounts to show you kind of the flexibility of the discount system. One of them is going to be at 20% off the total order, while the other one's going to be $10 off $100 spent. But we're going to start with the $20% off entire order.
And the admin title is what you see when you're on your discounts dashboard page. This name field is what the customer sees when it's applied to the order. We can have an order discount or a product discount. In this case, we want it to apply to the entire order, so we select order discount. We can add conditions, and we'll do that with our next discount, but we'll leave it default for now. We have different types of offers. It could be $1 off, % off, free shipping, or free products, but in this case, we want a 20% off. And you can select dates. I'm going to select from December 18th to December 25th. But you could select any dates here. Important to note that if it's not in the current date, the discount is not going to be working. So now let's go ahead and give it a try. Come back to a product page and we will add this product to our cart and see it in action.
So once the product gets added to the cart, we're going to kind of progress through the checkout process, and then we'll be able to see that this is getting applied directly there. And there you go. So there's the name that we gave the discount, and then the discount. It's important to note this is getting applied to the subtotal amount. So $20, 20% of $20 is $4, plus your sales tax gets you to $17.20. So that one works on a 20% off discount. Now we're going to go back and build one more, and we're going to basically build in a condition to allow us to give $10 off if the order eclipses $100.
So we're going to call this save $10 off $100 spent. So if they spend $100, we want them to get a $10 discount. So we want this to be an order discount again. And we want to apply this to the total amount if the total amount is greater than $99.99. We could put 100 here too. I mean, it's only a penny, but it's up to you on how you want to do that. You could add more conditions if you want, but in this case we only need the one. We want it to be $1 off discount. We want it to be a $10 off. And you could have discount dates. I'm just going to leave this as a discount as if it was always this way. So if you don't specify dates, it's always going to be on. You can see the status is active. You can always come in here and edit it, delete it, clone it if you want to make a copy of this. And you don't probably need to worry about the export, but that's an option that if you want to export it to a different site. And you can edit this and change the status, turn it on, turn it off. But let's go ahead and get our order total over $100 so we can see this other discount apply as well. So if I change the quantity of my cart to 5, you'll see I get the $10 off the $100 spent because it's over 100, and I also get the save 20% off, which both of these are applied on the subtotal. So I actually end up saving $30 in this case, in which case after the tax ends up being $76.
It's important to obviously that we are going to apply here. Sometimes you might not want to do that. So you can obviously build your discounts to obviously only work if one works. So we could easily change that 20% off to only work for orders under $100. There's just different things you can play with. Obviously it's going to fit your store and your unique needs. But it is really a flexible system.
So go ahead and start building some discounts on your own, and we'll continue on building your store in the next